Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a kit that is going to be available through my Crafty Boutique Co. on Instagram, and I wanted to share what would be included. This is coming from Louisa. If you guys don't know who she is My Crafty Boutique Co. on Instagram and My Crafty Boutique on YouTube. So I'll leave her links in the description box down below. So you guys just hit the description box and the links will be there. I apologize, Louisa. I just been so busy with an upcoming event that it's Sunday now, and only now am I able to get to open this and do a video. So I'm so sorry, girl. But here we go. I'm just gonna cut this open. And this kit, there's 4 kits available. I don't know, because I'm kind of late to sharing this with you all. She will have the kit on her Instagram, and if you comment in the comment box, she'll let you know if it's still available, or it will say it's sold out. But the kit will also include a printout of one of her digital papers. So let me show you. Not well prepared, but it will come with this collection included in your kit that you purchase. It'll be Victorian Christmas, and it has all these background papers. There's 14 JPEG files, and all of these here that you see on top you can print and just fussy cut and yeah, and use in your paper crafting. So this is her Instagram account, My Crafty Boutique Co. This is the name of the digital collection that will be included in the kit. Okay, so let's see what she included. Look at her label, how pretty. Can you guys see it? Sorry for the glare. But that's what it's gonna look like. And yours, like I said, will come with the digital printout. But that is what it's supposed to work with, this trim and extra goodies. So you get these little details included in your kit, and I will open them up. I just want to show you real quick. And then she's got faux fur here. She's got the really fuzzy yarn here, and she's got this beautiful textured, it's a trim, guys. But I will open them up in a minute and I'll go through all of the details. But then you get all the baubles and wood veneer pieces and so many goodies to play with. Here are some eyelash trims and some ribbons, some lace trims. Very pretty. Love the color collection here. And you've got some more options here. And then you have junk journal pieces. So we're going to start with the paper, extra papers that will come in the kit. Okay, hopefully that was recording, because I don't know, my camera is just blacked out. But anyway, continue on. We're going to show the pieces that are the papers for like junk journals and mini albums, stuff like that. Because you don't only have to use this for junk journaling, okay? So we have a glassine bag here, very cute size. Then you have some receipts. These are fun to play with. And we have more guest check receipts. We've got 3. This is like a set of 3. Oh no, set of 2. So you get 2 of those. Very cute. These are fun to add into the junk journals. You know, stamp it, color it, dye it, all that good stuff. And then you have 2 of the guest checks. And these are fun. These little coin envelopes, really cute. Stamp on that, put some trim on here, gussy it up, and then add it into a pocket. Another glassine option. It's an envelope. How pretty is that? Very nice. fun options. And then she's got 2 library cards here, and they come with the adhesive on the back. So you just peel that off and stick it down. But you could actually dye it, paint it, doodle on it, add paper, all kinds of fun stuff. Add trim to the top, punch a hole and add some ribbon or something like that. That's some fun options. And then you have these little, I don't know, tags. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm just imagining all of it dyed with Chiquita's, you know, color, her color samples. But here we have I think this is a blank postcard. It also says USPS 1978. How cute. 10 cents. Wow. I wish no longer that. And then we've got some fun tickets that we can embellish, or we can color, use your oxide inks or whatever, distress inks. And then she also included some of these note cards. And we have, ooh, this is nice. I like this kind of envelope. Fun little brown paper envelope. Very nice. It's a nice tall size. That would go nicely in a traveler's notebook. And then we have this little baggie here. Oh yeah, that's nice. And it's like a wax lining on the inside. I'm guessing like to use with food. And then we have a doily, a minty green, lime green, light green. Very pretty color. And then we have a red doily. And we have a poinsettia. And then another white. It's about the same size as the poinsettia one. And then we have a larger doily. Oh, wow, how fun. That will be so fun to play with. So here we go. So you'll get all of these included in your kit, along with the digital printouts. And then we've got, let me put this back in the bag so I don't lose any of the pieces. I want to create a project with this. I'm already envisioning in my head. So hopefully you guys can get your hands on it. It's a limited quantity, of course, because it's something that she puts together. And, you know, she works with what she's got, her supplies, you know. So be quick if you don't want to miss out. Go there right now and check her out on Instagram. So here we are going to open this up for the trim. I want to see this. These, okay, we've got ribbons, lace, very pretty. This is the one I want to see. How cute. Just gorgeous. Look at that. It has sequins on there. It's a nice size you can work with. You can cut these up and use them individually, so you can, you know, stretch your supply, or you can cover a page or a book. That would be pretty. And then you have this little dainty detail. How cute. That is so pretty. And then we have this lace trim. Gorgeous. In like a bone color finish. And then we have some sari trim. How pretty. Love this. This is gonna be so fun. And we have some of that crochet trim. And you get a good length of these, guys. It's not like 6 inches. You get a good amount. And then we've got some velvet pink. Very pretty. And we have some rickrack. So you got the blues. It's almost an iridescent rickrack. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. And then we've got this organza purple lavender color. This is my favorite. Of course. And then we have some satin ribbons here, red, pink, and blue. Very nice. Got a 1/2 inch, a 1/4 inch, and very pretty. Oh my gosh, the color combinations. And then we have some eyelash trims. We got blue, we got gray, red, and then what is this one? This is so pretty, fuzzy yarn. That is so pretty. So you could see how nice would that look around a Santa hat or something to that effect. Okay, so let's put this back in the baggie because you know me, I make a mess, guys. And once it's a mess, I can't think. Cannot think. So not as pretty as how she had it, but it's all in there. Okay, we're gonna look at the next bag with extra chunky yarn. And we've got some pom-poms, faux fur. How pretty. Oh my gosh. That is so nice. That is 12 inches right there. Wow. Ooh, girl. How you play with this one, I don't know. We will find a way. That is the challenge. And then you get this nice chunky yarn. Ooh, I think I have some of that from our swap from Christmas last year or the year before. And then this fun stuff right here. So you get it right. There's the trim edge, and then you've got all this fun trim. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I would be extra stingy because you got only this much. That is so pretty. That is fun. Fun. And then we've got the big pom-pom trim. Love it. Who does not love pom-pom trim? So let's put this back in. And we're gonna go into the doodads. Of course, it's never as pretty as how she put it. I don't know how she does it. So pretty. So let's go into the larger bag where there's more trim. And you can see this goes really well with her collection. So we have 2 corks here we could play with. That's very nice. And then we've got this bling trim. Very pretty. And you know, you can use this in so many projects. Look at this purple lavender iridescent sequin trim. So pretty. And then this fancy doodad. OMG. That is beautiful. I love this one. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. And then this one. Oh my. This is pretty. I have some ideas, but we shall see if I can accomplish. And we have a strand of pearls. So pretty. Golly. And then we have this trim here. I don't even know what to call this. This is gorgeous. Like what? Pearls and bling. And then this gorgeousness. Look at that. That is so fun. So fun. Wow. Okay, let's put our trims away and go into the last baggie. You get so much in this collection, guys, in this kit. Please go check her out. Don't want to be left out. And I would love to see what you guys come up with because I'm going to be making a project. We just got to see. All right, let me get a dish real quick. Okay. Got a little dish here. Some extra trim, some tinsel, silver tinsel. I think I want to put this in here. And this is just some fun silver tinsel with some stars on there. So much fun. Nice. Nice. Okay, put that in with the other trim. Okay, and we're gonna pour this baby out. There's so much in this kit. You've got some beautiful beads here. And These are some pretty, pretty beads. You got these snowflakes. How pretty is that? You got the wood veneer. You got 3 wood veneers. You get a star, a little bell, and a snowflake. And then you've got some flat backs here. Look at this beautiful bow. You got a jingle bell. Cute. Got this gemmy dangle. It's got a hole in it so you can hang it from a jump ring. You got some flat back pearls, and you got these little Christmas trees. These are nice. They're beads, so they got the hole from the top and the bottom. Very pretty. And then you've got this little, what are these called? Safety pins. These are like a bulb safety pin. And then you've got a bunch of these like fillers. They're like pink, blue, and clear. And then this little darling. Wow. So pretty. And then more of the beads. Look at that. You get so much. A mixed bag of variety. Look at that star. Very, very pretty, Louisa. Thank you so much for sharing this kit with me. I can't wait to get started making some goodies with this. Oops, I can't believe I just did that. Oh my gosh. So there you go. I just spilled it all over. Oh, there's a rose even. How pretty. So yeah, guys, go check her out. Usually she puts out a few kits at a time, and once it's gone, it's gone. She does not repeat making kits. So if you really love what you see here, please, please go check it out. And whoops, and let her know. Oh my gosh, you just dropped everything. Sorry. Let her know you saw it here. And this is what the kit looks like again, just to remind you. It goes so well. Look at that. All of this, the colors, everything. It's beautiful. Put that there. And you can see everything that's included. Just so pretty. Can you see all that? It's so pretty. I can't fit it all in here, guys, but you get what I'm trying to do. There you go. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.